If you're planning an SAP PI to PO migration, then we have a tool that can help you in this process. It will speed up the process and lower the risk. So you're probably considering, how do we upgrade to 7.5? And there's two options. One is to upgrade the full landscape, one system at a time, do a lot of testing, and with that the Figaf tool can also help. If you want to do a migration, the process is a little simpler and a little less risky. And what you do is you install new systems with the new release, and then you'll move interfaces one by one over to the new system. But this is really a labor-intensive process normally, and that's why we have created an automated tool that can actually help you in this process. So let me just explain what this tool can do. And it's actually the same as any developer would do, but it's just automated. So first up, in the Figaf tool, you define your old landscape and the new landscape, and you define where you want to copy from and to. Next up is you want to specify a release, and a release is just a bunch of interfaces that you are moving at one time, and that also corresponds to how business is normally doing migrations. You want to transport one or migrate once at a specific point in time. So once you've done that, you would add interfaces to this release, and for each interface it will then need to take all the development objects and transport them to the new system. Then it will need to configure all the runtime objects, directory objects, and then the thing that takes a lot of time is you want to be able to copy all communication channels and the specific requirements. So path, URLs, password, host names. And what the tool will actually go is to find a communication channel, configure it over here, and the same, find the configuration in the QA and configure it here and here. And that really speeds up the migration process, because you all from one cockpit can go around and configure all of this. And it's even able to test it. So it'll take data from your current productive system, run them both here, and if it's giving the same result, you are pretty satisfied with the result, and you can actually see that everything is performing as expected. So if you want to learn more, click the link below, and you can see a lot more about how this actually works and why it is a way that will save you a lot of time when doing migrations. So go click the link below, and yeah, if you have any questions, comments, also put them just below. Thank you.